Hello guys, custom tool venture lovers, you are welcome to my channel once again. Okay, this is your girl here. Okay, today I will be putting on this cold shoulder sleeve. Okay, before you can fix it, of course your cloth will have been completed, at least the shoulder to shoulder will have been joined. Okay, so this is what I'm sewing. Please, if you are here to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe and let's keep the ministry going. Thanks to all my returning subscribers. I say kudos to you. God bless you for all your time you spend watching my video. I appreciate you. Please, if you are subscribing, don't forget to put on the notification bell so that each time I upload new content, you'll be among the first set of people that will see it. Okay, look at it. I'm going to be cutting the two sleeve together. Of course, there are different ways you can go about it, but I think this one should be the simplest without stress. Okay, so after completed the cloth that we have been fixing the one here. So this is the sleeve I'm going to put. Usually when you are putting your sleeve, you start it from here, you cut from here. So I cut from here. So I will get my normal sleeve measurement first. Get my normal sleeve measurement first. Okay, I cut it this way. Okay, so I place it this way and then cut it out. Okay, you'll find out that this is the simplest you can ever see. So I mark, trace it, the this. Okay, so it goes down this way. Okay, now what do you want to do? How open do you want your full shoulder sleeve to be? I'll be going with just 3 inches. 3 inches is okay for me. Okay, so what do I do? Here I measure the 3 inches too. Okay, so I measure the 3 inches. I haven't cut it, so I will cut this place now, trace it, measure the 3 inches off. I'm cutting the two sleeves together. Remember the sewing allowance, so I'm leaving the sewing allowance there too. Okay, so this is what I need. So what do? I will tape this place. I will tape it with bias, tape it in with bias, and be very careful with this your shoulder measurement. Make sure it rests on your shoulder so that the beauty or the excess of the work will come out. So we have removed 3 inches. So when I'm going to fix the sleeve now, I'm going to start from where the 3 inches starts. I will also tape, these are the two sleeves together. So let me remove one now. So I will be taping this one too. So my sewing will start from here. Okay, so find out that this side is going to come out. Okay, so I tape this one in, so my shoulder sleeve will now come out this way. If you want yours to be deeper, fine. So that's just it, as simple as that. This is the simplest you can ever find. Okay, so let me fix it and I will come back to show us. If you are still till now, you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Thanks so much. So I take this one in, take this one in, and then fix it. I will definitely come back to show you. Thanks so much.